Good morning, friends. I would like to welcome you in this lecture of the engineering graphics. Yesterday, we have seen all four quadrant systems. Quadrant number 1, which is named as first angle of projection. Quadrant number 2 will be our second angle of projection. Quadrant number 3 will be our third angle of projection, and quadrant number 4 is nothing but the fourth angle of projection. Now, out of this four quadrants method of projection, we are using only two quadrants for the projection method. Which are they? Can anybody tell me the answer?
First and third.
Absolutely correct. First and third angle method of projection we are using in engineering graphics. Now, my question is to you that why we are not using second and fourth angle of projection in engineering drawing? Can anybody give answer of this particular question? You can give it in Marathi also, in Hindi also, no problem at all. सेकंड और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में जो मेथड है हम यूज क्यों नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ फर्स्ट और थर्ड क्यों यूज करते हैं?
Because front view and top view mix with each other and they do not see clearly.
Yes, front view and top view, they are meeting with each other and they are interfering with each other. That's why front view and top view, both the views are not that much clear to everybody, and that's why there may be chances when front view and top view will get mixed with each other, then you will not understand that particular drawing. ये जो रीजन थे, ये रीजन और पॉइंट का जो लोकेशन है वो हमने कल डिसाइड किया था. When point is above HP and in front of VP, it is in quadrant number
First.
When point is above HP and behind VP, it will be in quadrant number
Second.
Yes, when point is below HP and behind VP,
Third.
Yes, and point is below HP and in front of VP.
Fourth.
Absolutely correct. So now you have understood this system, and today actually we are going to start this subject, engineering graphics. Up till now we were in the introductory part of this particular subject. Today the first bit which we are going to study is how to project the point in engineering drawing or in the drawing. कि ड्राइंग में जब हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है किस पॉइंट की, उसका लोकेशन दिया जाता है, तो वो पॉइंट हमें कैसे मार्क करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सपोज आई विल राइट वन पॉइंट हियर. ओके, number 1 point is point A 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP or FRP or FP. Now we will have to project this particular point. We need to project the point, and how we will have to proceed for it. Actually, this particular method I have made very easy with this 4 step. मैंने आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे 4 स्टेप्स लिखे हैं और उन 4 स्टेप का यूज करके हमें अपना जो पॉइंट है वो पॉइंट पेपर पे मार्क करना है. ओके, so first of all, the point is given here. Point A 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Now, the first point is we will have to decide the quadrant first with the given information. अब क्वाड्रेंट जब आपको डिसाइड करना है तो सबसे जरूरी क्या चीज है, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन. पॉइंट एचपी के कहां है और वीपी से कितने डिस्टेंस पर है या कहां पे है. दैट इंफॉर्मेशन विल हेल्प यू टू डिसाइड पॉइंट विल लाई इन विच क्वाड्रेंट. एचपी के कहां और किस डिस्टेंस पे पॉइंट है और वीपी से किस डिस्टेंस पर पॉइंट है, ये जो चीज है ये हमें बताती है कि आपका पॉइंट कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है. एंड वंस अगेन द सिंपल मेथड टू डिसाइड इट इज जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. आई विल राइट हियर point A is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Now, the two things are very much important. I will underline those two things. Okay. The first thing is above HP and second thing is in front of VP. Now, you can decide the quadrant first. Okay. बताइए मुझे कौन से quadrant में आएगा ये point?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Is it?
First quadrant. First
Yes.
quadrant.
Everybody is agree with it? Will this point will lie in a first quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is agree with this? Or
Yes, sir.
anybody is having any
Yes, sir.
different opinion?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the first quadrant. Okay. This line is HP. This line is VP. When point is above HP, when point is above HP and it is in front of VP, means this point will lie in quadrant number 1. Right? Everybody is agree with this and everybody is knowing this. Now first task is completed. कौन सा टास्क कंप्लीट हुआ? क्वाड्रेंट फिक्स करने का टास्क कंप्लीट हुआ. And another one good thing is that in your syllabus we are going to only refer the first quadrant only. Means many points, many means 99% points will be above HP and in front of VP. Is it clear to everybody? So now we have cleared the point number 1. Okay. We have cleared now point number 1. We have decided the quadrant. Now second step, while performing this action is you will have to decide where the front view and top view will be observed. Now we know that in first angle projection method, front view will be above XY line and top view will be below XY line. In second quadrant, front view and top view both are above XY line. In third angle method of projection, top view will be above XY line and front view will be below XY line. And in fourth quadrant, front view and both the top view are lying below XY line. फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में XY लाइन के नीचे आते हैं. तो ये तो डिसाइड हो गया कि हमारा ये जो पॉइंट है वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है। फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है, इट मींस इसका जो फ्रंट व्यू होगा वो कहां होगा?
above XY line.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, इट विल बी अबव XY लाइन। और इसका टॉप व्यू जो होगा वो कहां होगा?
Below XY line.
It will be below XY line. Means we have decided that front view will come on above XY line and top view will come below XY line. Now, what I am going to do here, look carefully. I will draw one line in this way. And this line should be very thin line, faint line. No need to mark it in a dark way. And the arrow also, don't put arrow in this particular way. Okay, arrow आपके भी ऐसे ही आने चाहिए जैसे मैंने ड्राइंग में दिखाया है. And then we will name this particular line as X and Y. मैंने इस लाइन को नाम दे दिया X and Y लाइन. ओके, तो ये तो फिक्स हो गया कि XY लाइन के ऊपर मेरा फ्रंट व्यू आ जाएगा और XY लाइन के नीचे मेरा टॉप व्यू आ जाएगा. मीन्स we have decided the quadrant and we have decided where the front view will come and where the top view will come. Now the third point, we will have to mark now this point. And how we will have to mark? The simple thing is there. There is also one logic. And this particular logic is applicable for all four quadrants. ये जो logic है, ये पूरे 4 quadrants को आप apply कर सकते हो. और वो logic क्या है? Distance mentioned in the HP. HP के related जो भी distance mention किया है, वो डिस्टेंस हमें फ्रंट व्यू के लिए मार्क करना है और टॉप व्यू के लिए जो डिस्टेंस है वो डिस्टेंस हमें वीपी के साथ दिया हुआ डिस्टेंस लेना है. मींस द डिस्टेंस associated with the HP we will have to mark in the front view and the distance which is associated in the VP you will have to mark it in the top view. अब डिस्टेंस एसोसिएटेड विथ एचपी कौन सा है? 30 mm, बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड विथ द एचपी. ओके, दिस पर्टिकुलर 30 mm डिस्टेंस is associated with the HP and this 20 mm distance is associated with the VP. यानी कि HP से रिलेटेड डिस्टेंस हम फ्रंट व्यू में मार्क करते हैं तो 30 mm डिस्टेंस हमारा कहां आएगा? फ्रंट व्यू में आएगा. और 20 mm डिस्टेंस हमारा कहां आएगा? टॉप व्यू में आएगा. द डिस्टेंस अटैच्ड, रिलेटेड, एसोसिएटेड, मेंशन्ड विथ HP we will have to mark in a front view. Now what I will do, I will take pencil, I will take scale and I will put this scale on this line in this way. मैं क्या करूंगा? स्केल ऐसे इस लाइन पे रखूंगा. यहां आपका 0 होगा तो XY लाइन के ऊपर मैं कितना mm जाऊंगा? 30 mm. And then I will draw one point. 10, 20, 30. 30 mm means 3 सेंटीमीटर. तो 3 सेंटीमीटर पे मैं एक पॉइंट निकालूंगा. ओके, तो ये जो पॉइंट हो गया ये मेरा फ्रंट व्यू का पॉइंट हो गया. देन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल ड्रॉ अ प्रोजेक्टर. प्रोजेक्टर मीन्स व्हाट? अ फेंट लाइन थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. इस पॉइंट के नीचे मैं क्या करूंगा? एक फेंट लाइन निकालूंगा. बहुत ही फेंट होनी चाहिए. और फिर मैं ये मेरी स्केल लूंगा और XY लाइन के नीचे मैं क्या करूंगा, 20 mm काउंट करूंगा। Here I will count 20 mm, 10, 20। तो जहां 20 आ जाएगा वहां मैं फिर से एक पॉइंट मार्क कर दूंगा। ओके, तो ये हो गया फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू मेरा पॉइंट ए का। यानी कि मैंने पॉइंट मार्क कर दिया, मीन्स आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द थर्ड स्टेज। एंड देन द फोर्थ स्टेज इज राइटिंग द डायमेंशन एंड we will have to give the name to this particular point. First of all, we will give the name to those points. That will be more easy. Now you tell me, front view को हम क्या कहते थे नेम में? अगर मेरा पॉइंट A है तो उसका फ्रंट व्यू में नेम क्या होगा? यूज लेटर स्मॉल a देन डैश। और टॉप व्यू में उसी पॉइंट का नेम क्या होगा? A, simply A. Okay, sometimes कभी कभी आप किसी बुक में ये नेम ऐसे भी देख सकते हो। Sometimes it will be written as A और उसका सफिक्स होगा। अभी सफिक्स यहां हम नहीं लिख सकते, सफिक्स यानी आप समझते होंगे कि उसके बेस को, ए के बेस को हम लिखेंगे AF। AF मीन्स व्हाट? AF मीन्स ए फ्रंटल, और हम टॉप व्यू के पॉइंट को नाम देंगे AH। AH मीन्स ए हॉरिजॉन्टल। सो यू कैन एक्सेप्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ द नेमिंग सिस्टम to name your front view and top view. Then the next step is you will have to give the dimension. Dimensioning is very much important. जैसे हम कोई भी पॉइंट एस्टेब्लिश कर देते हैं तो इमीडिएटली हमें उसके डायमेंशन देने पड़ेंगे। ओके, सो डायमेंशनिंग मीन्स व्हाट? Simple thing is there. You will have to use the once again thin line and you will have to draw the locus through this particular point. थोड़े से डिस्टेंस पे, ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे नहीं डालना है। इस पॉइंट से भी, टॉप व्यू के पॉइंट से भी लोकस हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया। एंड देन we will have to use the dimension line. Dimension line यानी क्या है? ये एरो है। XY लाइन से हम डिस्टेंस मेजर करते हैं, इसलिए XY लाइन से उस पॉइंट के लोकस तक हमें एक एरो जो है वो ड्रॉ करने हैं। ड्रॉ कर दिए। नाउ यू नीड टू राइट द डायमेंशन। हम पहले जब 8th क्लास में थे, 10th क्लास में थे, तो हम डिस्टेंस ऐसे ही स्पेस में लिख देते थे, लेकिन ग्राफिक्स में आपको ऐसे एरो मार्क करने पड़ेंगे और एरो मार्क करके आप वो जो डिस्टेंस है वो उसमें लिख सकते हैं। एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू राइट द डिस्टेंस, हाउ यू विल हैव टू राइट? You will have to write it with the simple pencil only. Don't use pen for any kind of the work over here. और हम यहाँ डायमेंशन लिखेंगे। सो ये डायमेंशन कितना है? 30 mm। सो यहाँ आपको लिखना है 30 in this way. Don't write in straight manner. आपके डायमेंशन लाइन के ऊपर डायमेंशन आना चाहिए, एंड दिस डायमेंशन विल बी 20 mm। and this is the projection of your point. आपको दिया हुआ पॉइंट जो है, जो वर्बली एक्सप्लेन्ड है, उसे इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में यहां ड्रॉ कर दिया है. सो दिस इज द वे टू प्रोजेक्ट एनी पॉइंट on XY line. Okay, so once again I will explain this method. Those who have approached late here, okay, the first thing is how to project the point on XY line. First of all, read the point carefully and then decide in which quadrant that point is lying. जब आपको क्वाड्रेंट पता चलेगा तो आपको खुद ब खुद ये पता चलेगा कि पॉइंट का फ्रंट व्यू कहां है और टॉप व्यू कहां है. दैट इज द सेकंड स्टेज टू डिसाइड वेयर योर पॉइंट विल लाई. और जब ये डिसाइड हो जाएगा कि आपका पॉइंट का फ्रंट व्यू कहां है और टॉप व्यू कहां है, तो आपको क्या करना है, एचपी का जो डिस्टेंस है वो फ्रंट व्यू में मार्क करना है और टॉप व्यू से वीपी का जो डिस्टेंस है वो आपको टॉप व्यू में मार्क करना है. एंड व्हेन यू विल मार्क दिस फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू, देन you will have to give the name. Front view will be given with the small letter and dash, and top view will be the simple name with the alphabetic A, B, C, D, E, F, G, M, N, O up to Z. Whatever will be name is given to that particular point. For front view, you use dash, and for top view, you can write a simple name. Now you tell me whether projection of point is easy. Hello? Anybody is there?
Yes, sir.
So projection of point, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to follow this 4 step, and you will see that it will be very easy. First of all, I request you, write all the things which I have mentioned on the screen, and then today itself we are going to project almost 10 points on XY line. Okay, one by one, immediately and very quickly we are going to solve it. And when you will practice 10 to 20 points with the projection, you will be master. You can draw any kind of the point immediately on the XY line. So that will finish the projection of the point part in our chapter. Then we can move towards projection of line. But today, this particular lecture and tomorrow's time, we are going to spend to learn how to project a point on XY line. Is it clear to everybody? Will you write it? You please write it. Write all the, hello? Write all the things with the pen, and only you draw this diagram with the help of the pencil. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please, your time starts now. So we have drawn the points and we have drawn the projector also. So we will have to first of all provide the names to it. So this is point A, that's why. Front view को क्या नाम देना है हमें?
A dash.
Dash. Dash always will come for the front view. और top view के लिए क्या नाम देना है?
A.
Only A. Okay. नाम दे दिए. नाम देने के बाद हम उसे क्या देंगे? डायमेंशन देंगे. ओके, तो डायमेंशन के लिए once again we will draw the faint lines perpendicular to these lines, which will be called as a locus. Then we will use this faint line once again for the dimension, which is known by the name of dimension line. and we will write the dimension. Okay. What is the dimension of front view?
50 mm.
50 mm.
So it is 50 mm. You just only write 50 because all work we are going to do in mm only. And the top view dimension is 30. Okay. It means your first problem is completed here. Okay. So this is your problem number 1. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So immediately you can copy it down in your notebook in the same way in which way I have drawn. Okay. एक पेज पे आप सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम लिखना है आपको, दूसरे पेज पे उसका सॉल्यूशन. तो पूरे पेज के लिए XY लाइन ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. So you need not to draw XY line again and again. Okay, draw it fast. इस प्रॉब्लम में मैंने VP का डिस्टेंस पहले दिया है और HP का डिस्टेंस बाद में दिया है. Okay, so given things also we have written over here. The point is in front of VP above HP, it means it will lie in a first quadrant. It is in first quadrant, it means front view will lie above XY line, top view will lie below XY line. But now you will have to tell me which distance we will have to mark in front view, 10 mm or 30 mm.
10 mm.
10 mm or 30 mm.
10 mm.
10 mm.
Why 10 mm distance we will have to mark in a front view?
It's above HP.
Yes, the distance associated with HP, the distance mentioned with HP, you will have to mark in front view. Okay, so that what I will do, I will mark front view point at 10 mm distance from XY line in above direction. Okay, in the top side direction. Right? Then top view I will have to mark. Top view will be at 30 mm distance. Okay. So I will draw the top view over here. Okay. This much distance. Now we have set the both front view and top view. What will be the next step? Next step क्या होनी चाहिए?
Give the name.
Yes. So naming will be B dash to the front view and B to the top view. Then next step will be providing the dimensions. Dimension के लिए मैंने लोकस निकाल दिया, यहाँ एक लोकस निकाल दिया, फिर से मैंने एरो पॉइंट पकड़ लिए and I have drawn arrow over here, एक एरो XY के नीचे and I will write the dimension with it. Dimension here is 10 mm and here the dimension will be 30 mm. सिर्फ आपके 2 पॉइंट्स फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू के डार्क आने चाहिए, रिमेनिंग ऑल पार्ट शुड बी फेंट. ओके, एंड दिस इज आवर सॉल्यूशन नंबर 2 to the problem. Okay, is it clear to everybody? Please copy it down in your notebook. This is the second solution. Okay, have you drawn it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Two problems I want to give you for the homework, and tomorrow we will draw the points in a second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Don't worry, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant point will not be there for the examination, but for the sake of understanding, it is very much important. So today we have almost finished the projection of the point related with the quadrant number 1, and two problems I want to give you as a homework. And my request is there, immediately after finishing this particular lecture, you will have to solve those problems. अगर आप शाम में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने बैठोगे तो देयर मे बी सम प्रॉब्लम. सो अभी यू आर familiar with the methodology to solve the projection of point. So I request you immediately after this lecture, you draw projection of those particular points. Take the point C. Point C. Point C is 60 mm in front of VP, 60 mm in front of VP, as well as above HP, as well as above HP. क्या मीनिंग है इस प्रॉब्लम का? 60 mm इन फ्रंट ऑफ वीपी एज वेल एज अबव एचपी. अभी अबव एचपी का डिस्टेंस दिया है क्या इधर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अबव एचपी का डिस्टेंस दिया है? कितना है?
Same.
Same. Exactly. It means you have understood the things. 60 mm in front of VP and above HP means वो XY लाइन से 60 mm दूर है, इक्वी डिस्टेंस है वो. Okay, and that's why they have mentioned this point accordingly. You have understood in nice manner. यानी कि above HP का डिस्टेंस भी 60 है और in front of VP का डिस्टेंस भी 60 है. Good thing. Then take fourth point. Point D. 40 mm in front of VP, 40 mm in front of VP, and 25 mm above HP. Right? Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think today we need to stop here. We have learn today how to draw a point on XY line, how to project a point on XY line when it is kept in a quadrant number 1. Okay, tomorrow we will see about quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3, quadrant number 4. And tomorrow probably we will finish the projection of point. So today we have almost invested half an hour to explain how to project that particular point. But tomorrow we can save that time, and during that time we can draw projection of point with good kind of the speed and good kind of the understanding. Thank you very much for attending this lecture. Have a nice day. Enjoy the evening. Bye bye.